Danny, somebody have problems.
Yeah, this customer here, what he did was he bought the boat without hiring a mechanic to inspect the boat.
Yeah.
And he used it one time, and he brought it to us. He says it's not running right, so he wanted us to do it. And I said
The motor start, but
motor starts, but it doesn't run right.
okay.
So what happened was we came in to do a service, and when we pulled the cover off, we seen it caught fire. So I called the customer. He came today.
Fire here, no?
Yeah. What happened is something was either a fuel leak. What happened? It blew all that, and you can see how it got hot.
Yeah, and look at those are the fuel lines,
Yeah, those are the oil lines.
the oil lines, yeah, the lubrication lines.
The oil lines, all of them have to be replaced. The oil pump's been compromised. You got to replace the oil pump. You got to replace the stator, the flywheel, even the insulation on the computer is swollen.
But Danny, this is critical because you don't have lubrication, you don't have well lubrication. Huh?
Yeah.
And, suddenly the motor.
It'll destroy the motor because that's where it gets the lubrication.
This is incredible.
All this could have been avoided if you would have hired a mechanic. That's why it's important for us to know what we're doing.
The inspection.
So we do. This is what we get paid for.
Yeah.
But the guy just didn't do it before he bought it. He should have done it before.
And now the reparation $600.
No, this is $6,000.
Wow.
Needs a computer, flywheel, stator, complete engine wiring harness, new oil pump. He's gonna need new sensors. Anything that got hot, I gotta get rid of. What happens is if you don't do that, then there's gonna be another problem, and then it's gonna be a non-stop problem.
Yeah.
Even though some stuff works now, but I told the customer we're gonna wait. So you're out in the ocean for it to break, to not work, and then call me.
The lubrication is the life of the.
Yeah, absolutely. So.
Sorry for him.
I feel bad for him
Good
too.
for
He's
you?
actually a good. No, he's actually a good customer. I feel bad for him.
Yeah, yeah.